Want to repost on TikTok? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So here's a step-by-step guidance on how you can easily repost on TikTok. Start by heading over to your application TikTok. Make sure that you are using the updated version. Enter your login credential and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, you're on your For You page. Now scroll all the way down and move into any of the video that you would want to repost. So let's say I want to repost this video. What you want to do is, you simply have to click on the share icon right here. And at the bottom left corner, you can see the option of Repost. Tap on it. And there you go, the video has been reposted. Now other people will be able to see your repost videos. If you want to remove it, then once again tap on the share icon and then click on Remove Repost. It has also been removed. Likewise, move into any of the video and repost it. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.